Mobile hotspot not working on Windows 11? It could be due to driver issues, network settings, or system bugs. Let's fix it step by step. Solution 1. Delete hosted network settings from Registry first. Search for Regedit in the Start menu. Right-click and choose Run as administrator. Click Yes on the prompt. Now, expand the folders in this order: HK Local Machine, then System, then Current Control Set, then Services, then WLAN SVC, then Parameters. Now click on Hosted Network Settings. On the right side, right-click on Hosted Network. Click Delete, then confirm by clicking Yes. Solution 2. Enable Mobile Hotspot Service. Now let's make sure the mobile hotspot service is running. Search for Services in the Start menu and open it. Scroll down and double-click on Windows Mobile Hotspot Service. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Click on Start to run the service. Then click Apply and OK. Solution 3. Network Reset. Finally, reset your network settings. Right-click on the Windows Start button and go to Settings. Click on Network and Internet. Scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Now click on Network Reset. Hit Reset Now and confirm by clicking Yes. Once done, click Close. Right-click on Windows Start and restart your PC. Thanks for watching. Hope the tutorial helped you, so subscribe and like please.